Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can contact the Zangi Support Team. In order to do so, here we are in the Zangi app, and what we're looking for can be found at the bottom left-hand corner if we are in the settings, and we're going to go ahead and select the FAQ. This is going to bring us to the Zangi.com help page, and as you can see here at the top, for suggestions and unique questions, feel free to contact customer support at support@zangi.com. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find information on our upcoming webinars, as well as links to our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.